Credit utilization or credit usage is what we are going to talk about today. This is Muzi Syed, owner of Certified Credit Consultants and DIY Credit Help. Credit utilization is, so many people don't understand how important that is. Credit utilization is basically how much credit you're using out of your total credit limit. Of course, it applies to your revolving accounts or your credit cards. They're called revolving accounts because you can make a payment, pay down, and then charge again, and pay down again, and charge again on those cards. That's why they're called revolving. Credit utilization is 30% of your credit score. Huge. 35% was payment history, remember, which most people think is 100% of the score. It's not. It's only 35%. 30% is credit utilization. Extremely important. And I just cannot emphasize enough on this. If you have a credit card of $1,000 credit limit and you're using $800, that's too much. It's 80% credit utilization or credit usage. 80% is very high. Industry says keep it at 30%. People with elite status, 800 score, they keep it at 5 or 6% of the total. So basically, if you have a $1,000 credit card, if you want to have higher scores, keep it at $60, not $800, not $500. You can charge, and you can charge $1,000, but pay off $940. Leave $60 in there. Let the credit card companies make some money. People think, if I charge everything and then I pay off next month, it doesn't help. I'll tell you why. The credit card companies give you this money so they can make some money off of you. If you just keep on paying it off, they're going to just close your account. Or if you don't charge anything for 3-6 months, they're going to close your account because of inactivity. So go ahead and keep on charging. Even if you have a dormant credit card that's been sitting there, every 2-3 months, just take it out, go and get gas, go and get some groceries, use some, and then pay it off in 2 or 3 months. The reason is you want the credit card companies to make money. If you charge $20, they're gonna make maybe $1 on you, off of you, 50 cents. If that. Let them make it. But your card will stay open. And what they will do is they will increase your credit limit because they want to entice you to charge more. They want to trap you for all practical purposes, But don't get in that trap. Do let them increase your credit limit, but don't let them trap you. It's a very bad trap, very difficult to get out of. So keep your credit utilization at 6%. You cannot keep it at 6%, keep it at 10%. You cannot do that, keep it at 20%, but 100%. Keep it down under 30%. For sure. Don't let it go higher. I tell my kids, keep it at 5 or 6%. Don't let it go higher. Charge all you want. Charge 1,000, charge 10,000. But don't let it go above 5 or 6%. Let them make some money off of you. It's okay. And they will entice you. They will entice you to 0% balance transfer offers. They will entice you with increasing the credit limit, which is very good for you if you increase your credit limit, if they increase your credit limit. So it's very important. Keep a tab on your credit utilization